Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to get a Discord token. I'm going to show you how to do this on the desktop, so have these devices on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you guys how to find your Discord token on the desktop. If you don't know what a Discord token is, basically when you create a Discord account, you're assigned a token, and it's completely separate from your account's username, your tag, and password. But basically, whoever has this token can log in to your account. So it's really important that you keep this token secret and safe and don't let anyone else have access to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is be logged into your Discord on Google Chrome or another browser, but don't log in on the Discord app. So you have to be in some sort of browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this. So once you're logged in, going to go up to the three dots on the upper right corner of your Google Chrome. When you click down, it's going to bring a whole list of different options here. You're going to scroll down until you find more tools, and here you're going to click on the developer tools. It's going to bring up a bunch more options here. So once you're here, you're going to go up to the top and find the application button. If it's not up on the top here, it's probably going to be hidden. So you're going to click on these arrows here and scroll down to that application button. It's going to bring you here. And over on the left-hand side, you're going to find the local storage button here. When you click that down arrow, if you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps the channel to grow and for us to reach a larger audience. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. It's going to show the Discord URL. So when you click on that, you're going to go up to the top into that filter field, and you're going to type in token. And then you're going to go up to the top here and click on the toggle device toolbar. And you'll click on that. It will simply just give you your token here, and you can copy and paste that by hitting Command C, and you can paste it somewhere so you can remember it or write it down somewhere maybe. And to X out of the developer tools, you're simply just going to click that X on the right hand side. It's going to close it out for you. There you go, super simple. That's how you get your Discord token. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this helpful. Maybe you can use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video.